selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector.
Toma, Teo!
We had the opportunity to test the improved version of the MAURO'S 300 series, the MAURO'S 300 Pro series with the built-in antennas. We went out on a filming day and to put it straight on a test scene, and actually if it will meet our demands for a reliable wireless monitoring system for our client, director and playback of the scenes. Just like in every video, we'll firstly run down an unboxing, spec talk, field test and the conclusion. And if you want to find out more about my other wireless image transmission reviews, there will be linked up under the video with the first link going straight to the MAURO'S 300 price and spec list. Okay, so firstly let's run down an unboxing. In the black and white box that we are now used to get the Hollyland MARS systems, you will find the transmitter and the receiver, an USB-C to USB-A cable, instruction manual and the additional adapter for the front-facing mounting option, either on the receiver or on the transmitter, and also the small hot shoe mount. Let's have a look into the design and features. The Pro version has also a built-in OLED screen with some basic info, navigable with the thumb controller. You will be able to select 8 channels, check the fan status, video signal output and video signal strength. Inside the menu system you can also select the fan control, pair the receiver and check the Wi-Fi password for the smartphone app. Yes, in this version you can actually monitor straight out of your smartphone on iPad, giving you the signal straight from the transmitter. So you can leave up the bigger, well, it's not big, you can leave out this setup and actually use just your smartphone for monitoring purpose. More of it later on in the review. The front side of the transmitter and receiver have a dedicated 1/4 accessory mounting option. On the right side you will have the HDMI in and HDMI out loop out with the USB-C port. The USB-C port now is giving you the option to power the MAURO'S 300 via USB-C, and just like me, straight out of the battery bank or a V-mount battery or actually a wall power. Finally, a ready to go system even if you don't have an MPF battery with you. On the back side of both receiver and transmitter you can find the MPF battery plate if you want to power MAURO'S 300 Pro in this way. The MAURO'S 300 Pro will give you up to 300 feet of transmission distance, and that's around 100 meters. And at the location of filming we had no problems achieving that distance when we had to stay out of the camera operator taking a wide angle shot of the fast scenes on the Segway. The connection was strong and stable at around 60 to 70 meters from the transmitter. The 0.08 rated transmission latency is one of the lowest in the market for these systems, and it will give you the option for real-time monitor focus pull without any problems. As from the test shown, the latency is barely noticeable while filming in real life. The maximum input and output is 1080 at 60p, best for monitoring and reviewing the footage at around 7-inch screens. The monitoring setup that I built around the MAURO'S 300 Pro with the OCTech G7 screen and the small V-Log battery from Mincheng, giving me the option to have a compact size setup and get going for multiple hours on one shoot. The power consumption of the transmitter is 11 watts and the receiver just 4 watts hour. So even with a smaller MPF battery or power bank, the shoes should last a pretty decent amount of time without any problems. And if you want to actually scale down even this setup, you can actually bring your smartphone and get rid of the receiver, cause your receiver will be now your smartphone or tablet. So you will get a live view straight from your Hollyland MARS 300 transmitter. And actually installing the HollyView app, you will get a lot of feature more. Just like the Hollyland MARS X. Waveforms, histograms, focus picking, zebras, frames, magnify, false colors, monocolor, 3D LUT, and be able to actually record live the video transmission in your smartphone or taking a frame. Perfect for sending recorded material straight online on multiple platforms. So this is a good, simple cross-platform transmitter that can be used in various situations. They improved the design without antennas, added an OLED screen that is actually a little slow in refresh rate, but will get all the info needed. One thing that I would like that they would include in the package is just a better small tilt arm and not just a hot shoe generic one that's not tiltable. But this is just my thing. The price of $449 sits in the middle of similarly priced wireless image transmission systems. And if you need a wireless monitoring system that will do the job and actually be reliable, I would recommend this product. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will be happy to answer all of your questions. Until my next time, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.